What you on? Oh yeah, nice little mackie. So my line there. Nice one, mate. Something, eh?
Yeah.
Nice one, mate.
Yeah.
Boom. That's all right, eh?
Yeah.
And it's on those big hooks, eh?
Yeah, it's on
Those big hooks. 20 centimetres they're going to be, and that's well 20. But that's 29, mate. 29. Nice, mate. Well done. And the barbecue tomorrow. So I baited it. Let's go.
There it is.
That's the doggy, isn't it?
Bring it up. Yeah, it's a dogfish.
Yeah, dogfish. Oh well, something, eh? Boom. Something. Little dogfish. Should we let him go?
Yeah.
No, keep him, mate. Let him go, eh? I'll try and keep my bait, do you reckon?
Yeah, you probably could.
There you go. Nice one. Oh, you can keep the bait. Unless he's fighting, it feels different.
There you go. What's that? Yeah, dogfish, I think.
It's the same one. Yeah, it's a dogfish.
Same one.
A bit more of a fighter. Doggy number 2.
Number 2.
I did the old flick. That's how I got him.
Yeah.
He's at my bait though. We'll get him back, eh?
Yeah.
I think they used to sell these in the chip shop. Oi, get out of it. Wait. Come get me. Mate. Go on, be free. Do the hat trick.
Yeah, your hat trick.
Hat trick of dogfish. Oh, Jesus Christ, he's a fighter. He must be swimming with me. Oh yeah, it's a doggy.
Yeah, your hat trick.
It's a big one. Hat trick of doggies. What's on the bait there? Might be able to use
Ooh.
that. He's quite big, eh?
He's massive.
That's huge, that
He
one.
is humongous.
That's huge, eh?
Yeah, he's humongous.
Gymongous. God, that's a thud. Oh, he's still got my bait, he's still eating it.
You won't throw it up. He's biting me.
Careful, mate. Look at that. Say hello.
You ready?
Yeah,
Release him.
Go for it, mate. Release him. Release the beast.